How to replace the Nano Atomizer battery. First, peel off the stickers. Use a crosshead screwdriver to unscrew the 8 screws on the atomizer. Remove all screws and place aside. Open the casing slowly and make sure not to disturb the piping compartment. The blue color part is the battery. Pull out the battery and unplug it from the circuit board. Plug the new battery into the circuit board, and make sure the knob is facing up. Place the battery into the compartment and arrange the cable so that it doesn't block the screw holes. Adjust the piping if it blocks the screw holes and closes the casing. Secure all 8 screws with a screwdriver. Voila, it is done.